In this video, we will show you how to make animated logo in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it like this. Then align center and align middle. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Duplicate using Ctrl Shift. Select Rotate right 90 degree from Rotate. Select all, go to Merge Shape, select Fragment. Delete unwanted parts. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rounded Rectangle, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to the left side, adjust it, select all, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go into Shape Fill and change colors by selecting each part separately. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Shadow, select this shadow from Preset and increase size. Again, click on right button, select Edit Text, write P here, select and increase the size. Make it bold, go to Format and Align Middle. Select all, deselect this and group them. Go to Animation tab, apply Fade Animation. Also increase the duration size. Select this, apply Bounce Animation. Select Start after previous. Now let's go to full screen. So look how beautiful our animation looks.